What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So my wife been working from home for some time now, and she wants something that can allow her to sit when she wants to, and also when she's tired of sitting, she can just stand up and work. So we got her a, what's this thing called? The WorkFit by Ergotron. The official name, it should be like standing desk converter. Anyway, so this thing, this is actually the first time we have buy something like new from Amazon. So initially, not quite sure what to expect, but the box came almost as new. It seemed to be like one side being open, but they kind of patch it up and then ship it out. Now, once we got it, I opened up the box because the box kind of looked flinky and very dirty, so I just left it outside. But everything inside seemed to be intact. I mean, everything seemed to be okay, but I'm gonna just unwrap it to make sure that the product itself is still in good condition. This actually saved us some money. Instead of buying the brand new one, this comes in the discount. So anyway, so some of the stuff that came out of the box, obviously a instruction manual, a card if you need help, and a bag of zip ties and I think this is spacers and clips. So I think this is for cable management, and also come with this tube. This is definitely a cable tube, so you can tidy up your desk after you set this up. So, oh, and by the way, this thing is really heavy. So if you have someone there to help you, that would be the best. Okay, aside from some dust, everything from the surface looks fine. So the surface of the table looks fine. There's no damage or anything. That's what I was afraid of with the like new product that they ship out. So everything looks great. And just make sure that you remove all the cardboard and packaging material from this table, because there were some cardboard that's stuck in between here, and there's a cushion underneath in the center of the desk. So just make sure that you remove everything. Now the way that you raise this is to press. There are two taps on the side, so you squeeze them and they will raise up, and it will stop to a certain point. And then you can keep on going. I think this is the highest you can go. And to lower it, you just squeeze the side and then push it down. And you hear the clicking sound, then yeah, this is secure. So anyway, let me go help my wife set this up on her desk, and we'll go from there. All right, let's talk about the Ergotron in the office now. So here is a before video. Look at how messy everything is. So now here is the new setup. Ta-da! As you can see, everything fits into the Ergotron stand. Right now it's in the lowest position. So my wife likes to raise this up every now and then. So if she's not sitting down, she can stand up. Oh, by the way, we also bought one of this yoga board, balance board, whatever. So this thing is pretty cool. Well, I tried it myself. It's pretty much what it advertised. It's just kind of keep your back muscle engaged. So when you are standing for a long period of time, you won't feel so tired, and also, yeah, your leg will not lock up. This is perfect for someone who's sitting in the office for a long while. All right, so my wife been working from home for quite some time now, and here is the setup. We've been constantly upgrading. If you haven't seen our previous videos, yeah, we've been doing trying out a lot of different stuff with Office to see what fits and what works for her. So yeah, this definitely is a step up, I would say. So every now and then she would sit in the chair. Once she sat for too long, she can just stand up and use the board, and then she can raise this table up to a position that she like. Now, as I shown before, when you raise this table, you have to press both handle, like one on the right side, one on the left side. So once you raise it up, it will have like different height setting. Without anything on there, this thing will easily raise up, like if you're not being careful. When you are squeezing down the side, just make sure that you put your weight on it if there's nothing else on the table itself. But ever since we put the two monitor and the laptop on it, when my wife raising it, she no longer has to put her weight on it. She can raise it very easily and also without any issues. We also kind of tidy up the cable system in the back, as you can see here. So yeah, here they do provide with the sleeve. So my wife used some zip tie and try to use the sleeve to kind of tidy up the space. And here's another sleeve that they provided. So you could just cut it up if it's too long, and yeah, to wrap around your cables. So this way is good for cable management. So that's what it looks from the back. Now from the front, it looks like she occupied all the USB ports on the laptop. Yeah, but here's the setup. We have a printer slash scanner here as well. Now I am not quite sure how large the side screens are. I think they might be 21 inches. It fits two of them plus the laptop. Yeah, if you have like wireless keyboard and mouse, then you will not have any of the wires showing up. And we also have a fan here in case it gets hot. Well, I mean, we do turn on the AC. But also for the drawers, we have child safety lock, because our kid like to bust in every now and then to look for his mom. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup. Little flower plants on top, baby pictures. Yeah, so this is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment down below. Until next time, bye.